coming. Welcome to the house, the one they talking about. Word of mouth, the boxing playhouse, without a doubt. All the latest and greatest boxing news, that's what it's all about.
Hi, I'm Sakura, and I'm with Boxing Playhouse Inc. And we're here at the main event boxing gym here in St. Petersburg, Florida. Playhouse, I'm Sakura, and I'm here with no other than Noemi Bosques. And she is a professional ladies champion, former champion. And she's working on getting that ABF championship here in a few more days. So we saw you working out. We see that you know how, like, stamina is key, and you definitely, have worked on that. How long? I mean, how many hours do you think you train for this particular fight?
Well, every day we train about 2 hours. Every week at least, that's 20 hours every week. And a lot of times we're training 4, 5, 6 weeks ahead of time. So you do the math.
Wow. So pretty much you just stay in shape all the time.
Yeah, you have to. There is no part-time in boxing. You got to be all in or all out, especially because you get a lot of last-minute calls for fights. And I don't like to say no because I'm out of shape. I like to stay ready, even on a 2-week notice. So
I want to go back to when you were a kid, your dad influencing you. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I was always kind of like a tomboy growing up. I grew up a PK, pastor's kid. My dad was a pastor of a church. My mom was a pastor of the church. So we were in the church all the time. So I took my playtime very, very, very serious. So I went from the church to the boxing ring.
Wow. So we hear you have a fight coming up. And it's this Saturday in Tampa. Can you tell us a little bit more about the brawl?
This Saturday, March 2nd at the USF Sundome, also known as the Yingling Center now. I will be there, main event, fighting for the 115-pound title, ABF, American Boxing Federation title versus Samantha Salazar. Samantha Salazar is a police officer that's coming here from Texas, from Dallas, Texas. So we've been preparing for that. We've been getting in real good shape. We know that she's in real good shape, and we expect to be a hell of a show. Might even get fight of the night. So
I've seen Samantha in action. She does have some good boxing skills.
She's tough.
She's kind of small frame, so I think you can take her, girl.
I'll work hard for it. I'll work hard for it.
I know you've been all over the world. Boxing has taken you to some amazing places. So, how does it feel to be able to take it so much further than you probably thought, originally you were going to be able to do?
Yeah, it's amazing, especially for a young girl like me from St. Petersburg, Florida. When I started boxing, to me, it was just something I was doing for fun. But now, to have stayed persistent with it has taken me to places like India, has taken me to China, taken me to Mexico 3 times, New Zealand. So I've literally gone to places I've never even imagined about going, and I'm grateful to boxing. I'm grateful for the huge opportunities that this career has brought me. It's kept me off drugs, it's kept me off the streets, and I'm just thankful. That's why I stay persistent. Even through my losses, I stay faithful, I stay loyal to the sport, because it literally has saved my life. It has. So here I am.
That's amazing.
Back then, I didn't know that I was going to end up becoming a pro, and I was going to end up traveling and fighting some of these monsters that I've been fighting throughout the career. It's just been full of surprises, and I'm absolutely in love with this career. I truly am.
Well, that's great. It says your record is very deceiving, because you can't see the places you've been, the type of boxers that you're willing to fight. So I want to just send out my, warmest gratitude to you for being able to take that to the next level and really show people what a champion and what it means to be a real boxer. You will fight anybody.
That's right.
And anybody can get it, as Rona says.
That's real now. It's all about that money. Anybody can get it. Even you.
Now I want to wrap up by saying, they just made the Clarissa Shields and the Lady Hammer fight. And this is the first time ever that there's going to be a Showtime all-access fight. Show. So, what can you say about how the sport is beginning to transform and definitely try to, make moves to catch up with the men's level?
I'm really excited. It all started with the women's boxing debut in the Olympics, and now it's going to happen with the professional boxing. You're going to see a lot more women, and people are really going to start becoming hooked on it, because when women fight, it's not just trying to win, they really putting everything out there. There's a lot of heart in there, there's a whole lot of, oh no, you'll never be able to do it, fighting in there. There's all kinds of emotions, so I'm excited to see what women do with this sport.
2 minutes or 3 minutes? Do you think, you know the controversy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's all about the money. For what they're paying us right now, we need to go ahead on and keep it at 2 minutes. Now, if they're going to pay us 3-minute money, and they're going to pay us the same thing that the guys are making to fight 3 minutes, then we'll fight 3 minutes. But right now, we're not making what the guys are making to fight 3 minutes. So we might as well go ahead on and keep it at 2 minutes.
I like that philosophy. I really do.
That's right.
The money is a factor, but it's not because you can't do
right.
3
Absolutely.
minutes.
Yeah, we train 3 minutes every day.
Okay.
So now if they pay 3-minute money, we're ready to do that too. Just saying.
You hear Noemi? She's tired of y'all cheapskating all the ladies in the sport. Saturday night, and it's at the Euglene Center in Tampa, Florida, at the Saturday Night Brawl. Woo! Get your tickets. How can they find you on social media if they need a ticket?
I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that at Noemi Bosques. I love to respond to my fans. I love to respond to everybody. Come out, support us Saturday night. It's going to be one hell of a show, and I promise you, these girls are going to rock the show that night, so make sure you're there.
And you can find this interview along with other interviews at our YouTube page, which is boxingplayhouse.com, or Facebook, Twitter, and we also have Instagram. So make sure you sign up and subscribe to one of our outlets. And in closing, I'd like to say, support your local boxers, men and women.
We're still hungry.
Yeah, exactly. And you can feel the sweat when it slings on, or the blood.